Hello everyone, I'm very swamped. It's the weekends. I'm going to enjoy this lunch. Fish, rice, squash with some pork, pickle. But how do we Chinese people use the chopsticks? I'm going to demonstrate it and you're gonna have some rough ideas. By the way, I'm going to tell you how much is this fantastic lunch. 28 yuan, so which means it equals $4. Is it cheap? Okay, first I have to eat some fish. I have to pierce it and pinch it. Oh, I'm very professional at using the chopsticks. I'm going to eat it. Yeah, it's easy. Yummy. Okay, you can see my hands are very flexible. My fingers are very flexible for these chopsticks. What can I eat next? A little bit of pork. You can see? It's very tight. Great. How about a squash? You can see I can easily grip it by these chopsticks. Very tight. You can see I even can shake my chopsticks. The food is not off. Am I a professional one? Very nice. How about rice? We do it in this way. See? And I put the rice into my mouth. Let me taste some pickles. I can pinch a bean easily, guys. There's a bean, it's a round one. I can get it. You see? Very tight. Not off. So we Chinese people use the chopsticks in this way. If you have never used them, you even can't operate the chopsticks. Very tight. I can hit it. Not off. I click. Oh, I'm sorry. No. So I can use these chopsticks to grip, to pinch whatever the food is, even the Western food, the salad, hamburger, hot dog, the Chinese food. Normally it's in pieces. I can pinch each piece. The Western food is bigger. I can use this to eat the Western food without any problems. Okay guys, I'm very busy. I have to kill this food and then I'm going to head at work again. By the way, this is only $4. If you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye everyone, I'm going to enjoy it. If you are coming to China, you have to learn how to use the chopsticks. Bye bye.